Good morning, all of you. I'm continuing with the carbon dioxide gas. It was discovered by Van Helmont, and he discovered it when the charcoal was burnt in the air. So first of all, he discovered this gas, Van Helmont. This can become in the fill in the blanks or true and false. Then Joseph Black, he prepared by calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, the common name is the marble. CaCO3 is the chemical formula, and the chemical name is the calcium carbonate. So when he heated calcium carbonate, then it dissociated into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Lavoisier, he gave the structure of carbon dioxide, and he said that it is an oxide of carbon. Now carbon dioxide occurs in free state also. You know that in the atmosphere it is present in 0.03%, and in combined state carbon dioxide is present in the minerals like calcium carbonate, marble, CaCO3, then magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, and there is a ore called dolomite. It is a magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. And you also know that the aquatic plants, they absorb the dissolved carbon dioxide in water to prepare food. So it is also present in water in dissolved form. And how it is added in the atmosphere, how it comes into the atmosphere? By three ways it comes. When we burn fuels, they contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So carbon combines with the oxygen when fuel burns and form carbon dioxide. Similarly, due to the respiration, the phenomena of respiration, all living organisms, they inhale oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is also added into the atmosphere by the process of respiration. And the third is by decay and decomposition of organic matter. When the organic matter containing plants and animals, all the compounds which are present in animals and plants, when they decay, then the carbon dioxide is added into the atmosphere, is evolved and added to the atmosphere. Now I'll tell you how to prepare the carbon dioxide, the general methods. So the general methods of preparing carbon dioxide, it is prepared by burning carbon compounds, all the carbon compounds, the organic compounds which contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. When they are burned, so then they give carbon dioxide. Suppose if we burn coke or coal, they contain carbon in it. It combines with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Similarly, methane is the organic compound hydrocarbon made up of carbon and hydrogen. The formula is CH4. When it is burned, it is present in biogas, which is obtained from the biogas plant, which is obtained in the biogas plant. The slurry of the cow dung is mixed with the water, and the organic waste is mixed, and a thin paste is made, and it is allowed to decompose for days, for 2-3 days. The organic matter, it decomposes, and then the methane gas is released. Methane is also a greenhouse gas, right? So when methane is burned, it is present in biogas. When methane is burned, it combines with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. So this is a method in which the carbon compound is burned in air. Air contains oxygen, so carbon combines with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas. Then there is another method when metallic carbonates like sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, when it is added to the sulfuric acid, or when the sulfuric acid or any acid is added to metallic carbonate, this is metal sodium, this is sodium carbonate, then also this will break like this. Sodium will combine with the sulfate radical, and it forms Na2SO4 plus this H2CO3, carbonic acid is formed. It is unstable. It immediately breaks into water and releasing carbon dioxide. H2CO3 is unstable. It quickly dissociates to give water and carbon dioxide. Similarly, the metal carbonates also. Metal carbonates like NaHCO3, bicarbonates. When they are added to acid, or when acid is added to metal carbonate, then this will dissociate from here, this will dissociate from here. Na will react with chlorine, NaCl is formed, plus again H2CO3 is formed. This H2CO3 will dissociate to give H2O and CO2. So this is the general method of repairing carbon dioxide by burning carbon compounds in air, and secondly by adding acids to metallic carbonates and metallic bicarbonates. Carbonates are CO3, bicarbonates are HCO3. So when acid is added, any acid, when acid is added to these metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates, then also the carbon dioxide gas is formed. That's all for today. Thank you.